What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a wooden pen without a lathe. I'll be making my pen out of some hairy oak. It's a really nice wood to work with. So yeah, let's get to it. So the refill I'll use for my pen is from this Bic pen. They're really handy because say you have a short drill bit like me, you can just cut off the tip and it will fit in your pen just fine. The two drill bits we'll be using is a 4mm and a 3mm. You really only need the 4mm, but I like using a 3mm as well because it makes the pen a lot stronger structurally. So yeah. Starting off with the 4mm drill bit. Doesn't need to go in very deep. Okay, so next is the 3mm drill bit. This one we want to go in as deep as we can. Okay, so we've got now holes drilled. The 4mm hole was just so that the pen can hold the refill a little bit better. So there's this little lip on big pens that when you slide it in, it kind of just allows it to hold better so it doesn't just fall out while you're writing. You also may need to, depending on the diameter of your refill, widen just a little bit the inside. But mine's pretty good, so yeah. So on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to start on the sander. So I usually go on each of the edges and just sand them down until we get like a hexagon kind of shape, and then from there you just slowly start rotating and it'll get round. So yeah, that's the next step. Okay, so we've got the hexagon shape, so now it's just spinning it and rounding it on the sander. Okay, so this is pretty round now. It's still a little bit thick, so I think I'll make it a little bit thinner, but it's getting pretty close. That has gotten such a good finish on it, I don't think I'll even need to hand sand. Okay, so we finished all the sanding we need to do on the sander, and technically this could be a finished pen. We would just have to shorten this so that it fits inside. But I was thinking maybe we could do something at the end that makes it just a little bit more interesting, because at the moment it's just a stick. A stick with a hole in it. So I was thinking, I've already made a pen similar to this. I was thinking maybe we could do something like this, where it's got like this tapered end and some little rings at the end, so it's a bit more interesting to look at. So yeah, I think that's what we'll do next. Okay, so we finished oiling our pen and it is really, really nice. I love hairy oak pens, they just look super nice. So the final step is to trim our refill to the right size, because at the moment if we try and squeeze it in, it's only going to go in so far. So I've just got some wire cutters because I couldn't be bothered going into the house and getting some scissors. I'm just going to cut it about there, and then test fit it in. Okay, so it's still a little bit too long. I'm a little bit more off. It should have fit now. Yep, fits. So that's our pen done. So yeah, that's how you make a pen without a lathe. Super easy, only took me an hour and a half this afternoon to whip up, so yeah, I'd recommend giving this project a try. Catch you around and see you on the next one. So it's still a little bit too long. Whoops.